Right guys, so I'm taking you to have a look at a new place which... Oh, hang on. Okay, it's not where I thought it is then. Or maybe it is, I don't know. Oh man, what I'm trying to do guys is I'm trying to find... Ah, there it is. Oyster Burger. That's what I want to show you. New burger bar here in Benidorm, and it's becoming rather popular because of the big, huge burgers. So it's just here off Avenida Monte Carlo. Med's dad, Mike's having a rest, but I mean, look at that burger. That looks a nice bar, and if you've seen the TikToks, you'll just seen like how awesome the burgers are. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, where's the pictures?
Up there. The burgers just look out of this world. Yeah, that's one of them, Daddy. Oh, there's
whoa.
That like a tower burger. Just tons of different burgers. They're all over TikTok.
What's that, 17 quid like?
I don't know. All over TikTok. They also done up some burgers for the lads who participated in Benidorm Big Brother, which looks amazing. The burgers I've seen in there are just like...
It's a burger challenge, man.
Mouth-watering. They got this one and it's just like massive burger, fat patty, like drizzled in cheese and... Oh.
Guys, drop the super chat into Marcus. That's going to cost us... I think it's going to be about 20 quid for that big burger.
Probably, yeah.
We can get enough, but
enough super thanks,
yeah, super
enough
thanks.
coffees. If we
Go
can,
in there and we'll
yeah,
do that one for you.
we'll do the burger challenge.
And I'll do the big one, just see if I can eat it. I'm used to two burgers and I've had it this.
Yeah.
Hey.
So, yeah, as Mark said, if we get enough super thanks and enough money into coffees, we'll go there. Michael do the challenge. I'll just have one of the normal burgers.
Mate.
Yeah. Anyway, it's also up here by Port Benidorm, which has come on quite a bit since last time we were up here. But it has gone quite big, this sort of bit they're building on here, which
COVID, they put that one out, Marcus.
What?
That's what they were going to do. That was just after.
Oh yeah, yeah. They started just after COVID. They sort of finished like halfway.
That's taller than the original building.
Yeah, that's taller than the original one apparently. They finished for a while, like they left it a bit small and then they started again, but I mean, Jesus, that's probably like easy, say 20 odd floors maybe.
Ooh, alright.
A lucky guess that is like.
3, 4, 5.
I don't know, but...
The other one's 17, so it's going to be 20 floors.
Yeah, that's got to be 20 floors or more at least.
130.
You've also got the HCB Rock gardens, magic rock gardens, or whatever they're called in distance. We literally haven't been up this end for ages, guys. What?
We feel.
We film everything.
We feel good.
Oh, we feel good, yeah. It is hot. I'll cross over, have a look across the road if I can, just like quickly. Of course you got, oh shit, Plaza Bar, yeah. Plaza Bar there, the cellar there, which I'll come round and show you. I do believe that is where we see Martin and Kate go on the episode where they're looking for the water park. They're on the way back to the hotel. Martin and Kate go in there and Sticky Vicky's on.
You're pretty sure about that, you know?
I'm certain.
I think it's that place on the strip.
It ain't. It's that place.
It's that place, I'm sure.
It's that place, because the water...
You know everything.
The water park's up that road there, they're not up the back of Monte Carlo. You see them come down a hill. The hill they're filming on views the Mediterranean, which is there. They stop, have a look at here, and go in.
No, I'm right, you're wrong. I am definitely right and you're definitely wrong.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Right then, Devon Nitton, if you are watching, where was the scene filmed? Where it filmed here at the cellar, or where it filmed down on the strip?
In Vincent's, wasn't it? No.
Anyway, you got the White Horse Bar over there, which I still remember when we had the bad storm and the horse actually fell over on the roof.
I think there might be new horses.
Yeah, there might be new horses.
Yeah, red one. Right.
Yeah. Vincent's Corner Bar there, Corner Pub, Triangle. You got Udico there, another kebab shop in Udico.
I wonder which vets he went to.
That's a bit weird, that. A kebab shop in a supermarket. But it's Benidorm, I suppose. Going to head on down past Port Benidorm. That's what it's going to look like soon. The two blocks and a bigger pool area apparently. When that finish, that is. Which, I mean, given construction projects over here, that could be quite some time till they finish work. Then, of course, Port Benidorm's just here. Got like the restaurant up top there, parking area for scooters and reception. Just there as well. I've heard it's meant to be a nice hotel, but here's the part which has confused me. A friend of ours, Grummet, he'd done a video there a while back and said the toilets in the hotel rooms are see-through. Not the toilet, I meant like the bathroom. Like there's a big window so you can see people on the toilet. I don't know whether that's true or not, but he did do about 2 films there, like showing his wife on the toilet there, washing her hands.
Let's have a look at that, man.
I mean, not on the toilet, in the bathroom, then showing his mate. So, I mean, kind of weird that having like a bathroom with just like a big window around it. Basically gives you no privacy.
What are you trying to say? It's one of the swingers places.
Could be. Could be. Anyway, before I forget as well, shout out to Ian from Doncaster. Great to see you, Ian. Apparently a long time subscriber to both mine, Mike's and Scooter Sue's channel. So cheers, Ian.
Thanks, Ian.
Thanks.
Much appreciated.
And apparently, according to this temperature reader here, it's 27 minutes past 3 and 36 degrees.
Warmer than that.
I don't really know, I don't trust this one because some of them are broken. But yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed my quick look at Oyster Burger. Let me know if you want to try it. And don't forget some super chats, super thanks, coffees, PayPal me's, and we'll go there and Mike will do one of the big burgers they have in there, see if we can still do it. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and as always, it's another day in paradise. I've sodded that up already.
It's another day in paradise.
It's another day in the office, it's another day in paradise. Adios.